Hey everybody, take a look at our toolbox list. We started with number 1 and we are all the way down to number 10. Number 10 is the apology and forgiveness tool. And what we say for the apology and the forgiveness tool is, I admit my mistakes and I work to forgive yours. A sincere apology opens the door to self-responsibility and forgiveness. It takes self-esteem and inner strength to admit a mistake and do the right thing. Using the apology and the forgiveness tool is a step toward maturity because forgiveness takes strength. It requires letting go of anger and judgment. It does not mean that we have to forget, but we can be willing to forgive. The hand motion that we use is putting two hands together as if they are pieces of paper that we are gluing together. So we are putting our hands together as though gluing two pieces of paper. We're taking two things that maybe were broken or damaged, and we are repairing them with some glue. Couple things that I wanted to have you talk to whoever you're watching this with about. First is, why do you think that the apology and forgiveness tool is a part of our toolbox? So if you want to take a second to pause and talk about that, that would be great. The other thing is, what are some ways that you can actually use words to say or to write an apology or to accept forgiveness? I'm going to give you some ideas, and I want you to think about if those are things that you could imagine saying. One is just saying, I'm sorry for, and then saying whatever it is you're sorry for. Please forgive me for, I apologize. I realize I hurt your feelings when then you say what you did. And then on the other side, if someone says some of those things to you, you could say, I accept your apology, or I forgive you for doing whatever it is. One thing I know is it's really important to be able to say what it is that you did that hurt someone else, hurt their feelings, or maybe even hurt something that they created. So that's why I think it's very important to explain what it is that you did and what you're asking forgiveness for. One thing I would really encourage the adults to do is to model, and to go first. And when you do go first in asking for forgiveness, that you're pointing that out to your children, that this is an example of a time when it might be hard, even for adults, but that you're going to ask your own children for forgiveness for different things. So I wanted to end today with a quote that simply says, it takes a strong person to say when they're sorry, and an even stronger person to forgive. That's by someone named Yolanda Hadid. So remember that the apology and forgiveness tool is like two pieces of paper that we are gluing together and repairing by bringing them back. All right, hope you guys are doing great, and I hope you look for opportunities when you can apologize if you need to. All right, thanks.